Hey guys, it's Akinia here. Welcome back to Saving Saturday. So today I have $50 in ones and twos. I've also got 6 challenges and 2 6-sided dice. So we're going to roll the dice. Whatever number appears on there, they're going to get 1 note each. I've also got, I've decided to start tracking how much I'm adding to each thing. So when I'm counting it out as we go through, I'm going to write down in here how much I'm adding so I can keep a track of exactly what is in each one and I don't have to recount it after the video, etc. So there's also that, which we will go through in a bit. So let's just get straight into it. 5 and 6. I've also changed up the order of the challenges a little bit because there are some, particularly in the Randomizer Wednesday day with the 8, there are some that are just not getting anything and they're like significantly behind what everyone else has gotten over the past couple of weeks. So hopefully changing the order a little bit will help with some of that, but I don't know. This seems to be fairly even at the moment. I think the 6-sided dice ones always seem to be relatively even. 3 and 6, or maybe not. 1 and 3. Which ones have got the least at the moment? I probably would have said 2 and 4, but they both just got them. I think 5 maybe. It would be good to get a 5 because I think that is the current loser. That's not a 5. That's also not a 5. All right. And neither of those are a 5 either. Which one do I want to put more money into? I think this one, because I think this one is almost done. All right. Let's stack them up. All right, firstly we have the shopping one, which is our Tetris blocks. Okay, I was wrong. This one is definitely not the one that's almost done. And this one only got $4. So I probably should have given it to this one, but that's fine. All right, so we got $4 today and we've added 6 to it. So I'm going to write over here plus 4. Now, where is my Tetris blocks? There we go. All right, so something that's worth 6, so I can do an L, or I can do one of these guys. I think this L actually, if I flipped that around, that would fit really nicely here. So let's do that. This is the one that's running out of ink, but it looks okay for the moment, so it should be fine. Oh my goodness, my colouring skills. Okay, so that is $6 into that, which we look like we're about halfway up. Not halfway, we're about a quarter of the way through. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 42, 44, 45, 6, 7, 8. So 48. We're $2 off 50. So let's put those 2 back. And then... no, 3 back, then that's worth a 5. So we'll put this back for a 10. No, all of this back for 20. Yes, that's right. Sometimes my brain just doesn't want to math. So, did I say I had 48? Okay, hang on. Maybe I did need to do that. All right, I'm going to leave it like this for the moment as 53. Because I put a 10, a 5, and 5 ones back. I don't know. I'll have to recheck the video to see what I did there, but we either have 53 or we have 48, and I don't know which. That is not helpful. Okay, that's fine. We will check the video and see. But we got at least what we needed to add today. We got added. There we go. So that one is done. Next, we have our appliances challenge. If I remember correctly, I think I only needed $4 more for this. Actually, maybe it was only $2. So we've currently got 50, 70, 80, 83. That's correct, right? 50, 70, 80, 83. And all up, it should be 85. So I just need those $2. And we'll replace that with a 5. So then we've got 85. Then we're going to go through and cross out, there should be 30 of these. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Uh-oh. Close enough. So that is now done with its $85. So I'm going to put that back in there for the moment. This can go in my finished pile. And we get to add a new challenge. So what do I want to add? Do I want spooky ghost? We're looking for something to do with appliances. Probably nothing in here. Do a Care Bear. We could do a panda. We could do a Hermione. The pandas are really cute. We could do Pooh Bear. Pikachu. Pikachu's kind of computery. We're looking for appliances though, aren't we? Alright, I think I'm going to go with the Pikachu. So, this is, each one is worth 2. And we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll do that. Put that back for a 5. So there's $9 there. Do I want to colour this in a yellow? Alright, so I'm going to do... So do 4. I don't think my colouring skills have improved any. Alright, so that's that. And then we'll do half of this one. So there is 9. So that is a good start for... Oh, how much did I add to this? 9 plus 2, 11. Hopefully. We'll see. All right, that is that done. I'm going to put these ones at the front so I can remember to remove that money once I've transferred this. All right, next we have clothing, which is our donut sprinkles. Where is our donut page? Where is my donut page? Why do I not have my donut page? There it is. Okay, so here is my donut page. We need to fill up these sprinkles, and I said I think I wanted to do 7 more. So let's count this first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 in here. I think I want to do a 7. So put that back and this back for a 10. And put that in there. So we'll do 7 and that leaves 3 for something else. So let's do 1. Oops. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. And 7. So I think that looks like fairly good sprinkle to donut ratio. So I think we're going to stick to that. It's $110 saved in our clothing fund, which is exciting. Let's actually write that on here. What's on the back? The cue ball one. So 110. And then do we want to go straight onto the cue ball one? Pop the balls to save. How many cue balls are there? Have a look at these pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then there's one here, so 10. Is that all of them? There's another page of stickers somewhere, I think, but okay. So we could do that, and we could do like $3 a sticker, which would give us $30, or we could do $5 a sticker, which is inconvenient because we don't have $5 to start with. So let's do $3 a sticker so I can stick something down. There we go. Or actually, we can write on these. They all have a thing. So we'll just write how much we put in each one. I like that idea. All right, so today we put in $3 for our cue ball saving. I'm going to leave probably this set of stickers in here because there's at least one of those there. I also feel like there must be others because otherwise we have an uneven number of balls. But for the moment, we're just going to leave that as is and put that in here. And we just added $10 to the clothing fund. All right, so that is that sorted. Next we have the tech fund. So we've got, oh, that was, I don't know which one went with which. Whoops. I think I'm going to do that because I think I pulled, I don't know. All right, we're going to put $4 in technology today. Which is okay because we've got a 4 there that needs to be filled in. So technology plus 4, and I may have swapped those over, but that's okay because it's randomized anyway. So if we add the $4, I'm going to grab that and put it back for a 5. And then we're going to color in this, which I've lost my yellow pen. Yeah. Will be this one. That just leaves us with this row to complete, which means we are getting pretty close. It's $126 saving. We've got 105, 7, and 8. $108. So 16 to go, something like that. All right, that's technology. Next, we'll go to the car fund, which got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So add $7 to the car fund. Hopefully this is all going to equal 50 at the end. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 2 more would finish this one off. I'm going to steal a 2. I'm going to cheat a little bit because I want to. All right, that was the wrong color. Whoops. Oh, well, this is going to be orange. All right, so that is now done. I'm going to change this to 9. So I might have double cheated with this one, but that's fine. So let's do a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'll put that back for a 10. And then let's condense this. We've got 5, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we have $100 there. Let's put all of that back for a $100. So that is $100 for the car fund, done and sorted. And then we get to add another challenge into the car fund. I think I might do the Cat Pacino challenge, mainly because car and cat are similar words, and this is super cute. Same as $55, which is a reasonable amount. So that is going to be for my car fund. I'm going to just write that somewhere. Let's write it in this pen because it's right in front of me. Car fund, save $55. So we will start on that next time. All right, and that leaves us lucky last with our bubble fund. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, and 12, which all up that now equals 50. So we've got 10, 20, so 30, and then 20, 50. Yeah, so that's good. So $12 into the furniture bubble fund. There was no leftovers from last time by the looks of it, which means we're going to have $2 left over this time, but we can add all of this back to get a $10 note. So we'll put the $10 in that pile, and then we will colour in a 10, which means this is the last 10, I think. So next time we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fives left to go, and then we are done. So let's counter up. Goodness gracious. Okay, so we've got 110, 20, 25, and 27. It's $127 in our furniture fund, which when this is done, all of this is going to go to pay for the mattress that I have already purchased and just took out of my budget. Anyway, that is done. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like down below, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye.